If you leave meetings with messy notes, forgotten action items, and follow-up emails you still need to write, this workflow is for you. In the last video, we looked at 7 AI workflows small business owners can build. In this video, we are building the easiest one step by step, turning meeting notes into a summary, decisions, action items, risks, and a follow-up email. Here is the finished workflow. Input, meeting notes or a transcript. Prompt, a reusable instruction that tells AI exactly what to extract. Output, a summary, decisions, action items, open questions, risks, and a follow-up email. Review, you confirm owners, due dates, and sensitive details before sending anything. Step 1 is capturing the input. You need one of 3 things: a meeting transcript, rough meeting notes, or bullet points from the call. The transcript is best, but messy notes are good enough. Before using AI, remove anything private that does not need to be included, like payment details, sensitive personal information, or confidential customer information that is not needed for the follow-up. Format the input with a simple heading, meeting context, attendees, and raw notes or transcript. That structure helps the AI understand what it is reading. You do not need a complicated setup. You just need enough context for the AI to know what the meeting was about and what information it should extract. Step 2 is the reusable prompt. Here is the core instruction: turn these meeting notes into a business follow-up package. Include a 1-paragraph summary, decisions made, action items with owner and due date, risks or blockers, open questions, and a professional follow-up email. The most important line is this: if an owner, date, or decision is unclear, write needs confirmation instead of guessing. You do not want AI inventing action item owners or deadlines. The workflow is only useful if unclear details stay visible. Step 3 is making sure the output has the right sections. Use the same sections every time: summary, decisions, action items, risks and blockers, open questions, and follow-up email. The action item table should have 4 columns: task, owner, due date, and status. Step 4 is review. This is where a lot of people make a mistake. They copy the AI output directly into an email and send it. Do not do that. Review the summary for accuracy. Check whether the decisions actually happened. Confirm each action item owner and due date. Remove private notes that should not be sent. Then edit the follow-up email so it sounds like you. Step 5 is turning the prompt into a reusable template. Create a document called Meeting Follow-Up Workflow. Inside it, save 3 sections: instructions, reusable prompt, and review checklist. Every time a meeting ends, paste the new notes below the prompt and run the workflow again. Once the manual version works, then you can automate pieces of it. For example, you could send meeting transcripts to a folder, trigger a summary draft, and save the result in a document. But do not automate too early. First, make sure the prompt gives you useful results 3 times in a row. Then automate the parts that are repetitive. A good final output looks like this: a short summary explaining what the meeting covered, a list of confirmed decisions, an action item table, risks that could slow the project down, open questions that need clarification, and a polished follow-up email you can edit and send. Before we wrap up, here is the full example prompt you can copy and use. The prompt starts by giving the AI a role. Act as a business operations assistant. Turn the meeting notes below into a business follow-up package. Use only the information provided. Do not invent details. Then ask for the output sections. Include a 1-paragraph meeting summary, decisions made, and action items table with task, owner, due date, and status, risks or blockers, and open questions. Keeping the same sections every time makes the workflow repeatable. Finally, ask for a professional follow-up email. Keep it concise, friendly, and specific. Include next steps. If an owner, due date, decision, or detail is unclear, write needs confirmation instead of guessing. That line is what makes the prompt safer. If you build only one AI workflow this week, build this one. Copy the prompt into your AI tool, paste your meeting notes under it, review the output before sending, and save it as a reusable template. Subscribe to PromptOps HQ for practical AI workflows, prompts, and automations for modern work.